Welcome back. There have been lots of changes to coronavirus protocols and guidance within the past week. Several cities and school districts are doing away with mask mandates as vaccination rates climb. So let's hear from a healthcare professional about how people should proceed at this point in the pandemic. Dr. Jeff Pothof with UW Health joins us now. Jeff, when it comes to masks in schools, the latest CDC guidance says face coverings should be worn in classrooms for the remainder of this school year. Since that's just a couple more weeks, how much longer do you think that recommendation will stay in place as we look ahead to summer school and a brand new school year in the fall?
Yeah, I think what we'll see is the recommendation to have kids masked in schools will be there until those kids have a chance to get vaccinated. Those kids are at risk of getting COVID-19, and although they're less likely to get severe illness, some will get severe illness. And I don't think any of us are willing to put our kids' lives at risk or long-term symptoms of COVID just because they didn't want to wear a mask. So I think into summer school, you'll see masking requirements. Hopefully with more kids vaccinated before the next school year, we'll be able to see some of that loosening.
And Jeff, just yesterday, Wisconsin's Department of Health Services said there have been just more than 1,000 breakthrough infections for people who have been fully vaccinated. That's out of 2.3 million people who have completed their series of shots. What does that say about the effectiveness of vaccines in Wisconsin?
Yeah, I think that number speaks for itself. With all the vaccines that we've given, to only have that number of breakthrough cases, these vaccines are incredibly effective. They're really, really good, and they're safe to boot. If you haven't gotten vaccinated yet, pay attention to some of this data. This data is off the charts. These vaccines are really, really effective.
And one last one for you here, Doctor. Number of cases yesterday, extremely low. Of course, that's on a Monday when cases are typically lower coming out of the weekend. But what does that say about where we stand with the fight against the coronavirus?
It was good to see that low number, and whether we fluctuate over the next couple of days around that number, up, low, what we are seeing is that vaccination in Wisconsin is effective, and it's bringing down our case numbers. It's the ticket to getting back to normal, and the proof is in the pudding. We're seeing less cases, and I think that's something we're all really excited to see continue.
Dr. Pothof, thank you so much.